What's up everyone, Electronic Surge here, back with another taking apart video. And in today's video, we are taking apart an LG 32-inch TV that I found in the alleyway. Of course, now the problem with this TV is the LCD is cracked at the top. You can actually see the paper in there. The reflective paper, super light. So let me put the camera down. Let me get it up on this table so I can start taking it apart. Got a flashlight just in case, and I got a Phillips screwdriver. So yeah, let me get it up. Okay, here it is. Does not look like a 32-inch actually. Oh my god, this isn't a 32-inch. It's probably like a 35-inch or so. Here, if I can get it with the wide camera. Alright, so looks like we got our IR thing. You can tell where the LCD is cracked. And yeah, looks like this thing was sitting on a cabinet or something, or a table, and fell off and hit its LCD screen right there. So yeah, now it does take that kind of AC in. Here's the details. So it's a June 2015, assembled in Mexico. There's the model number. Here's the LG logo on the back. I don't know what this is. Whoa. Careful. Alright, here's the stand. It looks like it's just held on by 2 screws there. So yeah. Does not look like this thing can be mounted because I don't see any mounting holes here anywhere. At least if this is it right here. Yeah, this is probably it. These are probably the screws that you mount it on. Yeah, because you remove the stand and stuff. Alright, here's the control thingies. Reset, update, service only, TV link F. Oh my god, so much. Here's the optical audio out, RGB in. That we got LAN in here, so this could be a smart TV or something. We got a game control. We got 1 HDMI port right there. This is an RGB use only port. Looks like an antenna cable in, and that's probably the model number or something. I don't know. Yeah. And then over here's probably the rest of the HDMI and stuff. Yeah, so there's 3 HDMIs and 1 USB port. The stand does look pretty nice. It's got this vinyl finish thing on it. You can tell, so it probably still works, but it's probably just cracked on the LCD. So first, we're gonna start with taking off the stand. I'm not keeping the LCD, but I am keeping the reflective paper and the other screen thingy. And I don't know about the backlights. Might keep them too. But yeah, let's go ahead and start. So let me put this thing face down so that way it got access to the stand. Oh. Yes, also, this is a turning TV, so you can get it at any angle you want. So I'm definitely keeping the stand. I'm also going to keep the case. This is a turning TV. Let's see how far it can go. Or does it just rotate at a 360 angle? Oh wow, it still goes. Oh. No, it still goes. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, so let me put it down. Alright, heard a little bit of the LCD crack. That doesn't matter. Alright, looks like we got a screw right here, so someone was probably trying to remove the stand or something. I think this is where you remove it. Hopefully. So yeah, this is probably a 35-inch TV. I will bring out a meter next, so that way I can measure the screen size. It smells like TV, motherboard, sense, whatever, I don't know. So this thing can be using the same exact motherboard as the LG TV that we're fixing. You know, that LG TV we have upstairs, that 40-inch. I think this one actually uses the same motherboard. I don't know, maybe. And just like that, the stand comes right off. Let me just rotate the stand back. Oh wait, what? It doesn't rotate. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Oh my god, it's so hard to rotate it. Alright, I'm definitely keeping the stand. Alright, looks like this is just a 360 remote. Yeah, this is definitely the same TV. It's got the same speakers and everything. Actually, the speakers have those little bumps on them, and I remember there being a 360 control here. Yeah, so this is pretty much the same TV. Alright, now let's go ahead and unscrew the case things. Maybe I'll see if I got a LCD screen. It's also pretty hot out here. Alright, so these two are for the stand. And then these small ones look like they're for the back. Also, don't forget about that right there. Now, these are not the same screws, so I'll remember that this right here is the power, and then these are the case thingies, case screws. Alright, this looks like the same screw size, yep. Okay. I don't know if there's any under any of these. I think I might even have to unscrew these two right here. Oh yeah, this is how you can kind of see the greenish motherboard inside. So this is a pretty cool TV, actually. Very nice design. I mean, it is 2015, so I mean that's when 4K was first made, I think. I don't know. Maybe this even is 4K. I don't know, maybe it is. Maybe it's not. But I think this is an LED. Because I have that same kind of LG TV that's also made in June. Well, it's made in 2015, but not in June. It's made in May. Alright, that looks like all the screws. There's a note on the top. I think that's everything. There could be some in here, but doesn't look like it. So I think I'm just gonna unscrew these two right here. Yeah, so this is the wall mount right here. Oh, and these come with the nuts too. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah, so this is the wall mount right here. Okay, that's pretty cool. You got your own screws here, but you don't have the bottom two. and the case should come right up. Because on the other LG, I remember it just slides right down and then goes right up. Looks like that can be the thing on here. I might not be able to do this one-handed. So, yeah. Alright, now there actually looks like there's some clips holding this thing together. If you look right here, you can definitely tell that there's some clips right here. Don't have a flat top screwdriver, so I'm just gonna pry it open. Try to. Yep, the case is not connected, can tell. Yeah, so that means there's some kind of clips here somewhere. Maybe hitting it will help it a little bit. Oh, man. But yeah, you can definitely tell that this thing slides out. There's these clips here. Oh, man, that's annoying. The case is really hot from the hot sun. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You saw that bend down? That's weird. Is that just like how it is, or is this thing damaged in the inside? Huh. Maybe there's a screw I'm missing somewhere. Maybe those are actually clips. I don't know. It's not coming out anywhere. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, then I'm gonna go get a flat top screwdriver. Yeah. And then I'll come back out here and finish taking this thing apart. You can see the power board in there. It's just with this thing. No. Yeah, it's definitely a clip right here. Clip right there and a clip right here. Okay. Yeah, well then I'm gonna go grab one. Let's go inside real quick. Maybe in the basement there's some. So we're gonna go into the basement. Okay. The Eureka series intro. Not really. Alright. If not, then I'm probably gonna go into my room and look for some. And there is none. Yay. That's cool. Whew, man, it's hot. Alright, then let me go into my room and look for some there. Let's go upstairs. Oh, yeah. Alright. I also got this. I don't know. Alright. Over here. Nope. Also, this does not look like the right LG stand. Also gonna get my meter to check the screen size. Oh, man. Get out of the way, Zenith. I need to borrow the power cord. Not power cord. I need to move the Sony out of the way. Cardboard. TV out of the way. Here's my meter. No, this thing fell off for some reason. Alright, here's my meter. Now I do have that kind of input. Now let me show you that LG TV while I can as well. But I'm trying to look for that screwdriver, which I can't find. So yeah. Let me go show you that LG. It's right in the other TV repair room / vacuum room. Not really, no. And here it is. So you can definitely tell the speakers are the same. Here's the model. So you can tell May 2015. LG logos right there. And yeah, this is the Samsung plasma display to fix. And as you can see, this is also a 360 button. At least this one has like the 4K stands and not a stand right here. Here's the power thing. And yeah. So yeah. Yeah, I can't find that screwdriver here anywhere, so that's cool. Don't even got one screwdriver here anywhere. Perfect. Can't wait to record more Minecraft gaming videos. Alright, now let's go downstairs before that LG overheats in that sun. Because I'm not gonna keep baked motherboards. I'm gonna keep the entire TV except the LCD screen. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, let's go outside. Finally. Oh yeah. That bright sun. Let's see how much it is. Okay, and looking at the measuring thing, it says 40 inches. How the heck is this 40 inches? What? Oh, yeah, that's right. I think that one was 50 inches. Okay, so this is 40 inches we just brought. Okay. Pry this open. And, oh, I think I see the clips. This is it right here. Okay, now I just need something to hold it in. Hopefully this. Alright, so that clip is unclipped, and now this one. Alright. Oh, that's right, it didn't click. You heard that one click, but not this one. There we go. Alright. Okay, when I pick it up, it feels like there's a screw over here or something right here. So it's either a warranty one or, yeah. Nope, nothing under there. Nothing under there either. Yeah, maybe under here. Nope. Nope. Well then, probably in here, so. Or maybe there's just more clips around here. Oh yeah, there's definitely more clips. Alright, let me get this side first. No, this does not feel like a clip. Let me pick it up one more time. Guess what I found? That was so hard to find. I didn't even see it. But there it is. Okay, so oh my god, a wasp. Alright. Beautiful. And of course it's just gonna sit on a TV. Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't even try to sting me. Get off that LG TV. Who do you think you are? Dumb wasp. Oh my god. It's back? Come on. There's nothing special here. Come on. There's literally nothing special here. Alright, I think it's on top of the umbrella. Now let's open it. Actually, that was a pain to take off. Here's the inside. Alright, this looks completely different from that LG. Actually, not really. Yeah, not really. Alright, it's not an LG LCD display. So yeah. Fuse is right there. Looks good. The motherboard might be good. There's a second fuse. Don't see any blown pots or capacitors. Yeah, so I'm keeping the motherboards, the speakers, this thing, and that. I think my cat found a fly or something. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna take this thing off, but I'll try. So the speakers on that LG, 6 independents. It's pretty good. Remember, on that LG, they just slide right out. Let's see if that's the case on here. Does not look like that's the case on here. Remember, they just slide out, but there's like a latch here somewhere. And these are bass speakers because they got like the thing out there. Remember them just sliding straight out. Alright, let me disconnect that. Yeah, I need to watch that LG, taken apart video again. think there was probably a screw here somewhere. Don't know. Same on this side. Alright then, well, let's get this tape off here. Alright, disconnect that from the motherboard. I really hate these plastic things. There we go. And that comes right out. Okay. Let's take this one out. Disconnect the speaker. Alright. Now I don't know how to take this out. Okay, but let's deal with the motherboards right now. Where's the backlight? This is the backlight right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and remove the backlight latch thing. There we go. Remove this. Slowly coming out. Alright, but let's go ahead and start unscrewing it as well. Yes, I'm keeping the screws. And then these are also very good to keep. The RF shields, I think they're called. Because you can't have the motherboard, power board touching the metal right here. Yeah, but the motherboard does look different, I think. Does it look the same? Can't really tell. I think it was the same because the backlight thing, the backlight pin was on the top, and as you can see, it's also on the top. Right, so the motherboard should come out right here. Wow. I just ruined the whole entire thing. Now I could just throw it in the garbage. Didn't know that was sticky on the bottom. Well, 5-year-old tape, don't need that. This should disconnect right out of the thing, I think. Alright, this motherboard is next, and then we gotta figure out how to get the speakers out. And then I think we'll do the backlights and stuff. I might just keep the whole thing as it is, because I don't need the back of it. Don't need the LCD. Just keeping the shields, the reflective papers. that's right, this thing. Man, that was the smoothest cord I've ever seen. And I don't need that. Cool. Alright, the speakers. I have no clue how you remove it. I have forgot. Yeah, I need to watch the video again. Oh, there we go. Finally. Thank God. You push it up, and it comes right out. Well, keeping the speakers for sure, because on that LG, speakers, they're the best. Okay, now just got the chassis. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so let me get all of the stuff inside, and then I'll remove the chassis later. Actually, just gonna put it here in the shade. Let's measure the screen again. I'm just curious, maybe there's a difference on measuring the back. Just hope we don't crack it even more. Now that the TV is completely stripped, well, except the LCD screen, but that's okay. Now that it's completely stripped, without no motherboards and stuff, only the LCD and chassis, now it's super light. I mean, like, really. Thank God it has those. Alright, let's measure it. Yeah, it's a 40-inch. Huh. That is just the craziest thing I've seen. It's a 40-inch. So that means that LG is a 45 or it's a 50. That's crazy. Alright, now, oh yeah. I don't know if I scratched that or it's been like that. Oh yeah. This thing did not have a good life at all. I mean, look at this. No. This is just a poor thing. Nah, that's just a poor thing. No. I don't know if I'm gonna take off the LCD. I don't want to get glass. Oh. Looks like we got some rainbow LCD functions going on right there. I mean RGB, not rainbow. Duh. Alright, yeah, let me get this stuff inside. And then we're gonna have to open up or rewatch that LG video. Oh my God. Or rewatch that LG video and see if the motherboards are the same. If yes, then I'm keeping those. Definitely keeping the speakers, keeping this, keeping the shield, keeping the back, the stand, the bezel when it does get removed. Actually, I don't know if the bezel will. Yeah, but you can see it's got this vinyl finish thingy. These lines, and on that LG, it's the same thing with these lines, except the rim is gray and not black. So yeah, this is a 40-inch. I thought this was a 32-inch. Apparently not. Well, actually, yeah, it does look more like a 40-inch now when it's face down, but when it was standing over there by the bin, it looked like a 32. Alright, one by one, let's start getting the stuff inside. I also get some fresh air inside. Alright, the speakers, keeping this. That goes right there, and then into my room. You can go inside if you want. The stand, I'm gonna keep this stuff outside for now. Okay, this is definitely coming with me, the flashlight. I don't know where the IR light is, actually. Oh, there it is. I think that's it. Yeah, there it is. Can you see that? See that little black thing? That's where the IR thing sensor is. I always keep, when I take apart a TV or anything, I always take that motherboard out that has the IR thing for the remote on there. Why? I don't know. I just keep it because you never know. Maybe you'll have an LG remote and that'll be perfect. Yeah, just take the RF shield. Oh man, that's just beautiful. Alright. If the motherboards aren't the same, then it's going in the garbage. There we go. Alright. Oh yeah, the flashlight. And then the last thing was the, what was it called? The RF shield, I think. And then the screws. It's not sticky anymore. Oh yeah, the meter too. Alright, the shield and the screwdrivers. Alright, and the last thing I need to get is the meter, whatever. Right, this goes right here, so I can clean it off and then bring it in. Oh yeah, the 5-year-old tape, that goes in the garbage. Don't need 5-year-old tape. And the screws, I'm gonna take those in too, but later, because they're too small. Alright, and then the TV could just rest right here. I'm gonna go take a break, and then I'm gonna come out when it's a lot more cooler. Cameras keep on shutting off for some reason, I don't know why. You can see the sun through there. I'm gonna go take a break, and I'm gonna come for this thing later. Bye bye. See you guys later. Bye.